Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about some simple filmmaking tips that are going to increase the quality of your films with little to no effort. Number 1 is to use a tripod. Now this one seems kind of obvious, but using a tripod can really boost the outcome of your film because having shaky footage looks really amateur and will deter any possible publication. Nobody wants to strain their eyes while watching your film unless using a shaky cam is the point you're going for. Number 2 is to use a drone. Now, don't freak out, I understand that drones tend to be extremely expensive, and if you're just starting off, it's really difficult to obtain one. However, they can really make your footage look much better. Even adding just a small amount of drone footage can boost your overall quality of your film, and I recommend investing in a drone that shoots at least 1080p. I currently use the DJI Spark as it isn't too expensive and makes my footage look much more advanced. Number 3 is using appropriate transitions. Now, transitions come in all shapes and sizes, and you really want to use the one that fits your film best. It could just be a simple flip or shake to one side or the other, but in the end it really ties up all your shots and makes the footage flow. You can experiment with different types of transitions, but I recommend making your own with the actual camera instead of editing them during post, as this looks artificial. Number 4 is to lay back on the editing. Sure, adding some special effects here and there won't hurt too bad, but if you're looking to make a serious film, you're better off using practical effects. Adding in explosions and crazy transitions really makes your film look low budget and amateur. Keep this in mind next time you're searching for pre-keyed effects. And finally, just film with your own style. When you're first starting off, it's definitely a good idea to look at other films to get an idea of what you want to do. However, nobody wants to watch your low budget copy of Sharknado. Film whatever you think looks good, and it'll always work out. It doesn't matter what kind of camera you use, whether it be your iPhone 4 or your Red Weapon Helium. Do whatever you think works, unless you're trying to recreate Sharknado. Then you can give up.